What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ryan, so thank you all for showing up. And those of you who are returning, thank you again for showing up. Appreciate y'all. Now, on today's video, we are going to talk about something that maybe a lot of you don't know, but I'm sure a lot of you who work on vehicles and work on anything know, and it's the double wrench method. Now, what is the purpose of using the double wrench method? The purpose of using the double wrench method is to give yourself more leverage to break a nut or bolt loose. Or even when you're doing a serpentine belt, you snap this side on, you give more leverage to pull. Now, the bad thing about the double wrench method is if you slip, you're gonna bust all your knuckles. That's the only bad side of it. Plus, if you give too much leverage, you could possibly break the bolt that you're working on or the nut, and you don't want that to happen. So you gotta use this with caution. Now, the way that you do the double wrench method is, let's say you put this on a bolt, this end on the bolt, and you're like, okay, I need more leverage because I don't have enough leverage to pull and loosen it. So what you do is take the next one and go like that, interlock them, and bam. And if you want to break it the other way, well then obviously you go down this way and bam. How I usually do it, the easiest way, is I slip it on and then I just turn. Same thing for this one, slip it on and just turn. So you could do it a few ways. You can either go like this way, where the end is facing like that, boom, and it's, there you go. Or if you're in like this, you can just, you can just put it on like this, turn and push up. Either way works fine. I usually like just slipping it in and having the control right then and there. Either way is fine. I do use this double wrench method all the time whenever I'm working on something, but I'm always very careful. As you can see, no busted knuckles. Let me knock on wood before I get a busted knuckle. But with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick episode. As you can see, I'm running out of things to do every single day. I have no project cards. I need to find one at least. And I am just running out of ideas, and I don't know why, but obviously I am, because I'm making videos like this. So if you guys want to see something, please leave it in the comment section below so I can make a video on it for y'all. And with that being said, I'll see y'all for the next one. Sorry about the chest hairs, only real men have this. Just kidding. But I'll see you all in the next video. Please make sure you leave a like and also hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.